by looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touch your face, and let it burn. Let it burn.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
Well, I have to say, I kind of wanted to enjoy that more than I actually did because I liked, there was a vibe about you and I like how you present yourself and you're clear and anyway, it's a nice package. But, you know, there were some of those notes you just couldn't handle. That song was the wrong song. I would have gone with something else. I think it sank you tonight.
Alaine.
Yes, you're such a beautiful girl, especially with your Afro puff. We're loving that. We're talking about how we love that look. But I thought it started really strong. I think you were ready, and I could see you, like you said, watch me set fire, and I wanted the fire to burn, and it just never catch. So it's not that you don't have it. You have. Oh, so, in other words, so therefore, now we need to develop it up. We need to develop the performance, so it needs to start strong and get stronger, as opposed to choose the right song to choose something young and fresh, just like what you are, and really set fire to it.
Yeah, it started off good, but as Alain said, it didn't build to anything, so we didn't get a crescendo into something big and experience the real fire.
All right, thanks, judges. Shanique poured out her soul, so pour out those votes. Send her through to the top 10. Text the word VOTE to 444-5505 or call 444-5505. Thanks, Shanique. Remember to tweet using the hashtag DRS16 and tell us what you think about the first live show. And send a positive message to our contestants. And maybe Sanjay will read it on live air. Excuse me. Sanjay, what do you think about the talent so far?
Boy, I'm not telling a lie. Them are go hard for the first week. I mean, we have some great and some the rest good. I don't see nothing that bad. I be a maestro so far. No bungo dungo. You see, what do you think?
I feel like I agree with you still. This row.
All right, that's a go on. So right now, in the chill room, what going on, Dimitri?
Yeah, man, man.
Talk to me about how you feel about your first performance.
Well, it was good to me, It was a good performance, but I need to work on what the judges tell me for work on still.
How do you feel about the judges' feedback?
It was good. It was okay,
How about you, Shanique?
I feel really good about my first performance. The judges gave me a bit of constructive criticism. I need to work on a lot of things, and I'm going to do that.
That's a go on. All right, introduction by Song Week. Introduce yourself with the song.
I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, just like the river I've been running from ever since.
That's a go on. Tell us why you chose that song. Why is it so special to you?
Well, a lot of struggle in life, So, the long run, say, you're born by the river. You have to just go anywhere the wind blows, you have to just, work with it.
Your time, Shanique.
Me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. When the going gets tough, I said the tough gets going.
And tell us why you chose that one.
I chose that song because I am a person that never gives up. No matter what, I will never ever give up.
That I go on. Social media had some comments as well too. Sean Pitt said, Cecilia, start the competition. Boy, we still get comments about Cecilia. Cecilia, start the competition. Honey Dip says, isn't Dimitri rushing the song a little bit? Anavat says, Dimitri has a really nice tone, but this song didn't do it any justice. Tanya Hunter said, loving Elaine's braids. Jade Lee 74 says, yeah, Shanique, you go, girl, just do it. BPO says, Shanique, darling, that wasn't the right song. Nowhere near your best. Data gone. All right, only 2 contestants left to hit the stage. This is Digicel Rising Stars, Season 16. Soon forward.